Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and today, you guys, it's my Macy's beauty box. I believe you call us for October. I don't remember if I'm like a month behind, but I think it's October's. This is what it looks like. I did start to get into it because the box is a little hard to open if you got fingernails without busting them. And yes, I busted mine. So this is it. This is how it comes. This is what it looks like. Okay, what do we got? Comes all wrapped up like a little burrito. And then there is a little card here. Okay, Macy's beauty box. All that's trending. There's a QR code on here. Scan the QR code to learn about each product's ingredients, benefits, application, and more right from your phone. There is a $5 off coupon. I'm going to show it to you guys. First one to use it, feel free. There's a code on here. I don't plan on shopping at Macy's this month, so if you all want to screenshot that, first come, first serve. Okay, so there should be some perfume samples in here, and then whatever else comes in. Okay, what's this? First item. It's fascinating looking. Something. If I didn't use my phone to record, I'd scan the QR code, but, oh, let's look at it this way. This is giving me more of an idea that it's probably something like a blush, maybe. There's a little heart on there. So this looks like this is the top. Give it a little open. What does it say? Here's a better view of it. It's, rubbery. It's cryotherapy facial instructions. So this is a facial ice mold. It says before using this facial ice mold, make sure to clean it thoroughly with soap and water, rinse it well, and dry it completely. You fill the ice mold from the top with water, leaving a little space at the top to allow for the expansion of the water as it freezes. Put the filled ice mold in the freezer for several hours, let it freeze completely. Once the water is completely frozen, you remove the mold from the freezer, apply the ice mold to your face, gently rubbing it in circular motions. Careful not to press too hard or leave the ice on your skin too long, as this causes damage. You can use this as often as you like, but it's recommended to limit your use to 5 to 10 minutes at a time. Okay. So that's weird. It's like a little popsicle mold, and you're supposed to just, I'm sure it would help with depuffing under eyes and things. So that's very unique. Don't know if I'm a fan of putting ice directly on my face unless it's, you know, like you got a really bad bruise or something coming on. But I mean, definitely would work for, I'm having issues here, for depuffing. So that's interesting. This is Caudalie. Vino Pure Jelly, something, Purifying Gel Cleanser. Oh, it's 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. White text on a gray background. And just holding it up for you guys to look, because my camera is right in front of my ring light. It almost makes it like transparent, and you can't even see the text. But rinse with water, avoid eye contact or eye contour area. Let's see. I got to get the right light because it's white text on gray is it free? Oh, 0% of parabens, phenol something or another, ethanol, pegs, silicones, phthalates, sodium lauryl sulfates, and other ingredients. So it's, you know, free of bad ingredients, they say. It's too hard to read. Okay, well, that's nice. A little cleanser. Let's see if it's got like a safety seal on it. Does not. So that's a bummer. It's a nice, pleasing scent to it. There must be some fragrance in there. Okay, on to the next item. It's an itty bitty from Beauty Stat. This is our Universal C Skin Refiner for all skins. 20% vitamin C. Or L-ascorbic acid. It's 5 milliliters. So this should go into the refrigerator, and honestly, it really should be in a very, very packaging that no light can get into. I don't even know if this is good enough, but I will put that in the refrigerator and use that. I'm all about using vitamin C. It's good for you. Okay, it looks like we got a lippy. Ooh, from Tarte. Tarte lip cream. Cool. In this shade, do I have it upside down? Mauve. Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream Mauve. Here's the shade. It's a pretty neutral color. I've got a neutral lip on right now from Charlotte Tilbury. So it's cute. It's little. So it's itty bitty. Maracuja cream. So that side. And then that side. Cute. Let's see if we can pop it out. Come on. There it goes. Oh, it's very cute. It's like kind of metal. Little metallic. There it is. Cute, cute, cute. Ooh. I can't quite tell if that's like chocolate per se, but there's definitely like a food scent to it. I feel like that's supposed to be chocolate. So that's cool. That's a pretty color. Very neutral. Would work for just about anybody. Okay, the next thing we have is from Benefit. This is our 24-hour brow setter. Is there a shade color to it? Doesn't look like it. There's the box. Let's pull that out of the box. You guys, I got a bunch of stuff that's finally showing up in the mail, so that's good. Okay, 24-hour setter, Benefit. Yeah, no other indications of color. So no color. I don't know if it's going to be clear. It's kind of my guess since there's no color on it. Let's take a look. Oh, it's cute. I kind of feel like it's either clear or black. Cute little wand applicator. Ugh. I don't like the smell. It's not even smells like mascara. It kind of smells like glue. So that's probably what it is a brow glue if you're calling it brow setter. But 24-hour, so it's invisible. It's clear. 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for your brows. Okay. Nice. One more. Ooh, from Too Faced Cosmetics. Their Instant Sexy Lips at Last. This is the plumping. This is their instant and long-term lip plumper. If you've never tried this, it kind of burns. That's how it plumps. It's such a skin irritant to your lips that it kind of burns and your lips turn red and they do swell. So I have tried this before. It's on the top. So I don't know. You know, I can't deal with like all the burning sensation. I'm not a huge fan of it. So, but yeah, I have the bigger version of this somewhere in my little makeup area in my bathroom. So I'll probably put that in a giveaway or something. Maybe I don't know. It's nice. It's a good product for a lot of people. So I just don't get into that. So there's 2 perfumes left. First one, Fame Parfum from Paco Rabanne. Is there anything about it in here? Let's just okay, well, let's show you the outside. And then I'm going to read the notes from the inside of the card. Notes are, essential jasmine, hypnotic incense, and addictive musk. There's a QR code. This is what it looks like. Shockingly, I forgot to put any sort of fragrance on today, so can't smell it. We're going to try this. We'll see if we can get 1 spritz. Let's show you that's how much is in there. Not a lot. I like it. Definitely jasmine with just a hint of musk. I like that. So it's Fame Parfum. I've had his perfumes before, but I don't think I've tried Fame. I like this because y'all know I subscribe to Scentbox. Yeah, that smells really nice. Okay, the next one is also from Paco Rabanne, and I haven't tried this one either. This is Phantom. These must be new. Here's the outside. Same brand, Paco Rabanne. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. There are notes of burning vanilla, intense lavender, and a magnetic vetiver. Magnetic vetiver. Interesting. This is all very dark and blue. So, let's see what this one is. Pretty much the same as far as how full it is. Gonna get a little piece of paper here and see if we can just put it on a paper. Okay, that worked. Interesting. So there's a little on there. Not bad. Do I get the lavender? I guess I do get the hints of lavender. And a little hint of vanilla, but not like strong. It's not a bad scent. I don't mind it. Sensual. Oh, that's the wrong one. Grab the other one. Burning vanilla. Intense lavender and magnetic vetiver. It's not bad. Interesting. Very interesting. It's not one that I revolt away from. So is it one I would buy or try in a bigger scent? It's hard to say because right now I'm still getting the notes of the first one, but it's not bad. I don't know that it's me. I seem to be really hooked on certain scents, like pretty much jasmine, but I do like lavender. And I don't mind vanilla. So that's an interesting, intriguing, different. I would just be afraid that, like, I kind of like it now, but if I was wearing it all day, would I be like, I'm really sick of this? It's hard to know. So pretty good box this month. So this is like 15 bucks. What do you guys think? 15, 16 bucks, somewhere in there? I'll put it down in the description. It's less than 20. So we got from Too Faced the little 1.5 grams or 0.05 ounces of their lip plumping gloss. We did get this little cute from Tarte lip cream. It's a little lipstick and the color is mauve. That's very nice. Would go well in a little clutch purse. I got this 24-hour brow setter, which I didn't care for the smell of it. Definitely smelled like glue to me. I don't tend to use like brown mascaras like that, but whatever. I just don't have that much hair. This is a vitamin C from Beauty Stat. There's their Universal C Skin Refiner. So that really should go in the refrigerator. I'm curious. Let's look and see if there's hope there's a safety seal on it. It feels like there is. Yes. I forgot to check that. That's good. Because if it's not, it's probably not any good. Y'all, vitamin C needs to be in a dark type really bottle, and it should always be kept in the refrigerator because the minute you open and expose anything with vitamin C in it, it starts to degrade. Sunlight and air. So you want something that is airtight. So like a pump that doesn't inject air in where the product is. Something that sunlight, regular light can't get through, and then you keep it refrigerated as well. So thing is, you use this the minute you expose it and open that seal to the air, it's not going to last very long. The other thing I'm seeing is it's only full to about right here. So if this is all full of air, which it looks like, the vitamin C in this is probably already gone bad. Okay, Caudalie. Oh yeah, their Purifying Gel Cleanser. So that's nice. It is, what's the size? 1 ounce, a full ounce of that. Get several uses out of that. And then this is the weird item. This is that like little mold to make like a little ice lipstick for your face, I guess. Cryotherapy facial. Huh. I don't know if I'll keep that either. I just don't see myself doing that. That takes a lot of effort. I'm not sure that I want to have to go through all that effort. I might have to pass that on to one of you guys just to use it. I liked the two fragrance samples I got. I'm gonna drop it out here, of course. So Paco Rabanne, his Phantom, which was the second one. And then, of course, I like this one better because it has jasmine in it. This is the Fame perfume. So I don't know if these are new. I haven't tried them, but they both smelled nice. I preferred the first one. All right, y'all, let me know what you think. I haven't been getting this very long, so I've kind of been reserving judgment. Some months seem to be better than others. I'm kind of hoping that it's pretty good going into the holiday gifting season, that they're trying to give us. This feels pretty good, like, you know, pretty good products in here. I feel like they're trying to kind of stir up some sales for the gifting season. So Like I said, anybody that wants to use that code, it's $10 off your next $20 or more beauty purchase. Valid in-store or online, 9/29 through 11/24/2023. One-time use, first one to get it, and excludes future beauty boxes. So you can't use it on the beauty box. Of course, the beauty box is not $20 or more, but you can't put that in there. All right. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Appreciate your time. I should be getting you a few more videos in the next several days because stuff's finally trickling in. All right. Have a great one, you guys. I appreciate your time so much. Leave me a comment down below. Hope you'll hit that thumbs up for me. Make sure you're still subscribed. If you're new here, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And yeah, have a great one, guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.